Hello friends, today I'm here with another video. So today in this video we'll see how to check your credit score from Commonwealth Bank. We need to check our credit score to understand your financial health, get approved for loans or credit cards. So it's better to check every time regularly. So today we'll see that. So for that, go to Commonwealth Bank. So once you log in, you can click on view all features. It's pretty easy and simple. Click on credit score, put your password, then you can see your credit score over here. In my case is excellent, so it might be a different. If you want to share your credit score, then you can put a comment on my video. Hope you know how to check the credit score, but if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.